Next one, show that minimum value of u equal to xy plus a cube by x plus a cube by y is 3a square. Solution. Given function is u equal to xy plus a cube by x plus a cube by y. So now differentiating with respect to x. So then dou u by dou x equal to dou by dou x of xy plus a cube by x plus a cube by y. So then y into the derivation of x is 1 plus a cube into the derivation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square, and here 0. So then y minus a cube by x square. So this is the value. And next again differentiating with respect to y. So then dou u by dou y equal to dou by dou y of the function of u is xy plus a cube by x plus a cube by y. So then y x into the derivation of y is 1 plus here 0. So here a cube into 1 by y derivation is minus 1 by y square. So then x minus a cube by y square. So now again differentiating with respect to x to the function dou u by dou x. So then we are getting the value is r, say. So now again differentiating with respect to x to the function dou u by dou x. So then dou by dou x of dou u by dou x. So then which implies dou by dou x of what is the function of dou u by dou x? Y minus a cube by x square. So then which implies y into the derivation of here dou by dou x of what is the given function y minus a cube by x square. So here 0 minus a cube into 1 by x square derivation is minus 2 by x cube. So then which implies 2a cube by x cube. So treated this is r, say. So now t. So what is the value of t? Dou square u by dou y square. Dou square u by dou y square equal to dou by dou y of dou u by dou y. So then which implies dou by dou y of dou u by dou y means, so what is the value of dou u by dou y? X minus a cube by y square. So this is the value. So here 0 minus a cube into 1 by y square means minus 2 by y cube. So then which implies 2a cube by y cube. 2a cube by y cube. Treated this is t, say. So and then we have to find out s. S equal to dou by dou x of dou u by dou y. So then which implies dou by dou x of what is the value of dou u by dou y? X minus a cube by y square. So then 1 minus here 0. So then which implies 1. So this is the value of s. So now for the maxima and minima, dou u by dou x equal to 0 and dou u by dou y equal to 0. So which implies y minus a cube by x square equal to 0. So from this x square y minus a cube equal to 0. Also dou u by dou y. So x minus a cube by y square equal to 0. From here xy square equal to a cube. So and then by solving of those equations, x square y equal to a cube. So from here y equal to a cube by x square. So now by substituting these values, then we are getting the value of x. So xy square equal to a cube. So then x into a cube by x square whole square equal to a power 6 by x power 4 equal to a cube. So then which implies x cube equal to a cube. So here x equal to, what is the value? A. So now substituting this x value, then y square equal to, substituting, then y square equal to a cube by a. So then here we are getting a square, then y square equal to a square from y equal to a. So therefore the value of x equal to a and y equal to a. So now we have to write those two, x equal to y equal to a. So now find out the RST. So also the value of r equal to 2a cube by a cube. So here numerator and denominator a cube is cancelled, only answer is 2. And s equal to 1, and the value of t equal to 2. So now therefore we have to find out RT minus s square. So then r value is 2 into 2 minus 1 whole square. So which implies 4 minus 1 which equal to 3. So that value which is greater than 0. So they and that 2 r equal to 2. So this value which is also greater than 0. So therefore rt minus s square. Therefore rt minus s square value which is greater than 0 and r greater than 0. So therefore this fraction has a minimum value. Therefore this is minimum value. Therefore the minimum value is, therefore the minimum value is u equal to a dot a plus a cube by a plus a cube by a. So then which implies 3a square. So therefore the minimum value is a square plus a cube by a plus a cube by a. So when applying LCM, then the value is, so here a square plus a square plus a square, which implies 3a square. Therefore the minimum value is, therefore the minimum value equal to 3a square. Therefore hence the solution.